Hey guys, we're going to be unboxing my Timberland Pros. I don't need to do this, but I like watching unboxing videos on YouTube, and I just wanted to do one too. So yeah. Ooh, nice and warm from the hot sun. These are authentic steel toe. This is in the colorway. What colorway is this? I can't even see. I think I should have had this size 8. Okay. Oil resistant. Look, this is my second pair of these because they just so fly. They do get dirty quick depending on what type of job you're doing, but when I tell you these shoes are gorgeous, very lightweight to be so like sturdy, and they're actually very comfortable. All right guys, enjoy.